Last time we got this bike running. Now, almost a month later, my back-ordered intake parts have arrived. Today will be a pretty short video. I'm gonna fix the intake and then investigate the electric starter. It's been slipping badly and needs to be addressed. I'm Trevor, and you're watching Two Wheelin'. The carburetor was removed already, so the intake boots are easy to access and remove. A flathead to pull the retaining clips out is all I used. You can see the new boots are nice and malleable while the old ones feel like hardened plastic. I have no doubt that this will seat on the carburetors nicely, and installation is simple too. You just jam them in and push the clips on. With that out of the way, I can turn my attention towards the starter. So, since day one, this starter has been making some weird noises and it seems to slip. First, I'll remove the starter. It's just three 10mm bolts. And with that, I can see that the teeth aren't damaged at all. Shining a light into the engine shows no damage there either, but now the gear is falling down and I can't get the starter back on. Well, the only way to get this back together is to remove the crankcase cover. With that, I can gain access to the gear as well as look for other damaged parts. First, I'll drain the oil, and then once the foot peg and shifter are off, the engine cover can be removed. I see no obvious damage here, so I decided to reinstall the starter and watch it spin the motor. This is the part where I turn to you, my audience, for advice. I have very little experience with street bikes. Almost every engine I've rebuilt had solely a Kickstarter, so I'm unfamiliar with these. The gear up top is able to move a lot, which concerns me, and on top of that, the chain has quite a bit of slack. When I run the starter, it seems to skip every so often, but I can't tell if it's motor failure or something in the clutch assembly going wrong.
Okay, here's the starter.
I've ruled out the battery as a problem source, and I'm not sure where to go from here. I'll be learning more about this, but in the meantime, please feel free to offer some help here. That concludes part 3 of the Vulcan project. I wanted to give an update and reach out for some advice. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit like and consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.